Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by picking a stack you know so you can iterate fast. For example, Node with Express or Python with Flask. Once chosen, provision a small VPS or PAS instance and register a domain name. Make sure to enable HTTPS with Let's Encrypt right away. Next, design the database schema, a URL table, a hit counter, created at, and optional user tokens. Now scaffold the project, initialize a repo, and implement a basic post endpoint to accept long URLs and return a short code. Now you implement the core. Create a post/shorten endpoint that validates and normalizes input, prevents open redirect, stores the long URL, and returns a short code. Use base62 encoding of an incremental ID or a truncated hash with collision checks to generate compact ID. This balances length versus predictability. Then implement get/code to look up the original URL, increment a hit counter atomically, and return a 301 redirect. Once done, add basic rate limiting and input sanitization to reduce. To finish, add features, analytics, optional user accounts, and admin UI for managing links and scheduled backups for the database. Containerize the app, set up CI/CD, and deploy with health checks and monitoring so you know when things break. Make sure to run load tests and tune caching for hot links. If redirects fail after deployment, check DNS records, HTTPS certificate status, reverse proxy routing, and database connectivity. Then inspect logs for 500s or exceptions and roll back or patch quickly to restore service.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.